Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Just showing you guys a couple of old cars that I bought and sold in the past until my office space is inspected by the state. That's what I'm waiting on to start taking you guys to the auction with me. The state is taking all day, so just bear with me, guys. So we're just going to go through these throwback videos for the time being. In this video, this was a nice car as well. This was a 2002 Buick Regal. I know it looks kind of rough, guys, but it only had 82,000 miles. That's right, 82,000 miles for a 2002 Buick Regal. It wasn't the supercharger or anything like that, unfortunately, but it only had 82,000 miles, and I think that's an important factor when it came to getting rid of this car. As you can see, that bad boy is very nice and clean. The tires did look a little dirty, but other than that, guys, this car was very clean. It had a lot of stickers and stuff on it, and as you can see, I had a lot of keys, guys, so I had a lot of cars at this time. But I think trunk was a little like rough to come up, but other than that, guys, this bad boy was nice and clean, spare tire and everything. I ended up paying $1,900 for this car, which I think was a good deal, guys, because like I said, guys, the miles were excellent on this bad boy, and as you can see, it was a nice clean car. It wasn't like dirty or anything. I know I wish it was a supercharger, could have had a little bit more fun in it, but I didn't even have this car long. I just bought it and sold it like really quick, guys. Matter of fact, no, I'm sorry, guys, I didn't even pay $18 for this car. That's what I sold it. So I sold it for $1,900, guys, and I bought it for $1,400. So I didn't make too much profit off this, guys, but I did sell the car and made profit. So I paid $14 for it, and I ended up selling it for $19. I think I could have got more, guys, but the only thing about the car was that it had some CV axle problem. So like if you turn the steering wheel to the right or it was to the left, I don't remember like off the top of my head, but it did have like a little CV axle problem. So that's why I ended up selling this car for the $1,900, which I thought was an excellent deal for something that has 82,000 miles on an original miles. So sorry, guys, I had the prices mixed up. So yeah, I sold it for $19, bought it for $14. Didn't make too much, but some money is better than no money, guys. So again, man, I appreciate you guys watching my videos and everything, man. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, man. Got a lot of content coming for you guys very soon. Like I said, just waiting for the state to inspect my office, man. Thanks for watching again, man. I'll catch you guys on the next throwback. Peace.